Has become a Christmas staple for a lot of people, and it is a flavor that is really reminiscent of the holiday seasons. And the same goes for Ferna. It's always there when you're baking because it has really become a reliable brand for baking ingredients. And joining us tonight is our friend Chef Ronald to tell us about another Ferna product. Hi, Chef.
Hello, Chef.
What are you going to tell us about tonight?
Okay, for tonight's recipe, Chef Jackie will be using our Ferna egg albumin powder.
Egg albumin powder.
Yep. Egg albumin powder, in layman's term, this is also the egg white.
Okay.
So this is pasteurized and spray-dried. The advantages of using these products are, first, it has a longer shelf life, which is 2 years, and then premix advantage, easy to transport, and of course, deliver. At the same time, safe siya to eat. I'll ask you, Sam, ano ba yung ingredient na ginagamit natin when making Swiss butter icing, boiled icing, sans rival, or even meringue?
Eggs?
Fresh egg white, right?
Egg white.
Oo. So, we have to separate egg white from the egg yolk.
I was just gonna say, kasi yun nga, some recipes just call for the egg whites, and so you're gonna have to separate the eggs, and then yung egg yolk, anong gagawin mo doon?
Ayun na nga yung problema minsan. Parang nasa set aside lang siya at hindi na siya nagagamit. So that is why Ferna has this egg albumin powder, so you can use it instantly on your meringue, katulad na gagawin ni Chef Jackie tonight.
Ayan. So Chef Jackie is going to make chocolate peppermint meringues. I'm so excited. I want to see how this turns out, and of course I want to eat it. Chef Jackie, how are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. I'm going to start na our chocolate peppermint meringues. Okay, so we're going to do first the meringue part. We have here 3 tablespoons of the Ferna egg albumin powder that we are going to dissolve in a cup of water. So gagawin ko na yan dito sa machine. Yan. This is equivalent to 8 egg whites. Okay, and then 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar. Yan. I mix it first on low para ma-mix mabuti yung powder sa water. As you can see, mabilis siya maging frothy, mabilis siya bumula. I have here 2 cups of sugar. I'll add it a little at a time. So once it's frothy and has bubbles, nice bubbles, you add a little bit of the sugar. And then you wait. You add again, and then you wait again for it to come up again para yung volume niya maganda. And then you keep on adding hanggang maubos yung sugar and then hanggang maging stiff. So this is the last addition of my sugar. And just a few more minutes, ready na siya. So while I'm waiting for that, I want to show you how to prepare your piping bag. I have here a big piping bag with a star tip sa dulo. We're going to stripe it using the red and green colors of Ferna. Okay, I'll dip in red and then stripe it here. Ayan. Okay. So all the way sa dulo, we just pipe a line paakyat. So now, when I pipe this, ang mangyayari, ang lalabas na mga meringues ko have stripe na red and green. Okay? Ayan. So these are my Ferna colors. So this is stiff enough. I'll scoop some. Ayan. Carefully place it inside the piping bag. And then, on a cookie sheet lined with paper, dikit muna natin yung paper. A little bit of the meringue sa edges para hindi gumalaw. Yan. And then you pipe. There. Yan. So be generous with the color para marami kayong mapipe na magandang color. Hindi yung parang pagdating dito, white na lang. Yan. So what you need to do is to bake this at 200 degrees Fahrenheit for just an hour if you want crunchy on the outside and chewy on the inside. But if you want it baked crunchy hanggang sa loob, you have to bake it longer. mga 2 hours at 175. Babaan nyo para hindi mag-change yung color. These are the baked ones. It's nice and crunchy, but the color is the same. See? So, ayan. I'll break it for you para makita nyo. It's nice and crunchy. Okay? Naputi pa rin siya because we baked it at a low heat. Ayan. So, for the chocolate part, I have here simmering water. Okay. Bowl. This is 200 grams of bittersweet chocolate. One-fourth cup of cream. Just mix it all together. And this is 1/4 cup of the Ferna glucose. So yung filling natin magiging nice and makunat. Yan. And then half a teaspoon of the peppermint oil para Christmas na Christmas. Yan. So all you have to do is melt it together until it's nice and smooth. This is a nice filling. It's chewy. Tsaka nagho-hold siya. So pwede rin siya sa gitna ng mga cookies or filling, let's say, sa cake. If you want a nice and chewy filling. Yan. So it's nice and smooth now. All you have to do is let it sit outside lang for a while para mag-room temp and then chill it in the refrigerator para pipeable na siya. Yan. Okay, so here, this is the one that I have already chilled. As you can see, pipeable na siya. Madali na siyang i-pipe. Yan. All I have to do now, okay, is make a small sandwich using 2 meringues. Yan. There. See? And I have here some that I've already made. And this is for Sam and Ronald. And of course, my friend Eileen.
It's so Christmassy.
Sige,
Yeah,
try.
it's very nice.
Sam, try mo.
Because it's crisp, the meringue is very crisp. Okay, and then the filling, it's very chewy naman because of the glucose. So, play of textures, and it's a very, very simple recipe.
How do you find it, Sam?
Parang I don't have to brush my teeth anymore. Parang minty na siya.
Have you determined kung fresh egg ba siya or powder?
You know, actually, it didn't even occur to me to think about that.
Okay.
So I guess, you know, it works great.
To give additional information about the egg albumin powder, so 1 fresh egg white is equivalent to 1 teaspoon of the powder plus 2 tablespoons of water. So they will just dissolve it and then use it in their recipe. So ganun lang kasimple.
Well, I know. I mean, we've made meringue several times on the show. And it's the same thing.
Yes.
Galing. Sarap ah. They're so pretty.
Masaya na.
I love how it looks. It's
Ang dami ko ng gift sa'yo, Sama, saka Ronald. I'm waiting for
Chef.
mine.
Oh my God. Here, here. Have a meringue here. Merry Christmas.